Hey, it's Bob, Home Cook Basics. So today we're talking about romaine lettuce and how to cut it. Today I have romaine hearts. They're a little bit less bushy, smaller, compact. And I'm gonna show you how to cut this, how to wash it, the best way to cut it up so you can use it in your Caesar salad. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below. And let's jump into how to cut romaine. So that's it, how to cut romaine lettuce. I hope you found this video useful the next time you cut up salad for your Caesar salad. Let me know in the comments below, are there any other how-to videos you'd like to see me do? And please subscribe below. And I'll see you next time on Home Cook Basics.